What's up, y'all? Stixx Picks here, back with a video. Of course, we're at the Stockton Flea Market. A little bit early. We're not even selling today. We just came here to shop. It's like 6:30. Let's see what we can get. Good morning. Yo, what's up, man? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
You ain't got school today?
Oh, no. Not for me.
Dang, nice.
Because sometimes Mondays we don't have school, so it's not busy.
It's good,
I got
it's
some
good.
new cards.
I think you have some new cards?
Yeah.
How'd you get them?
Oh, things that I had. I put them into $1 packs. The ones that have more than one inside of them are $1 pack.
It's cool. These all your coins too?
Yeah.
How you get your coins?
Sometimes they come out, and then sometimes I get them from my friend.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's nice. I don't even know most of these coins are, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Like, what are these coins?
Which ones?
Like these smaller coins.
These are dimes. From Mercury dimes. From
wow.
here, from America.
How much are they? How much are they worth?
I have no idea. I haven't searched them up.
How much are you selling them for then?
They say 7, but I'll do like $5.
I don't know. I was just seeing how much it was worth. I was seeing. We get some silver too. My dad likes to save those.
Yeah, I know that.
How much are you selling those for?
You can give me 35 each.
Yeah, I would save them if I were you. I don't know though.
Yeah.
I don't know if you'll sell them for full price here. People will try and like.
Yeah.
You better just save it. Good luck though.
Right? Yeah, here. That's $100. Here's $1. Now we're even. I can't sell no more of these dollars now because I don't have no more change.
Yeah?
Somebody have to give me exact change for them.
How much?
I don't have it. 28. I don't have no more ones, so. No one. 1885.
Here you go.
28.
I'm a size 12.
I need more ones.
Thank you.
Maybe.
Alright. I got a Morgan dollar. This one's legit. It's a nice little Morgan dollar. You guys will definitely see this when I do an auction. I've been snowboarding a couple times. I like snowboarding. It's expensive though. It's probably saving money if I were to like buy one. I don't go like too often. These are like little Coca-Cola, little like decoration type things. It's actually worth some money. Little Chromebook. So charger for it though. How much for the Monopoly? Alright. I don't think I could buy that, you know.
Sí, aquí son 57.
No, I bought this car. I got that one put in. I got.
How much for the book?
15. 15.
Alright, y'all, I've been walking around for a while now. Like, I've walked around a couple laps. I haven't really found too much. Let's just like walk around without like cutting it.
Yeah.
Michael Jr.,
What's up, Harold?
I like your posture. You stand straight. It's very good. Lopsided, isn't it? How many people have been on it?
Let's try to stand up straight.
As you get older, they'll crunch, you know?
Can you stand up straight?
Yeah. Yeah, but as you got to admit, as you get older, you fucking start crunching. It's just,
Only if you don't stay active.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bullshit. It don't matter. Whether you're active or not, it catches up. with you.
Do I feel hunch?
Yeah, a little bit.
Your hunch, Uncle Mike.
$40 all. That one, no? Okay, 5, 10.
Horseshoes?
Yeah,
You want one or you want several?
This no. This no. Yes.
I'm still sticking for a $1 off Harold. Soft Life 15.
The backpack, I'm paying all $40. Or 60, $40.
Hi, Harold. Let me buy this.
You want that?
They're all good luck. These ones are old school.
It's 5, 10. Let's just do this lot, $10.
Oh.
The couches and the hutch and the dining table on the. No.
The one that I paid for the couch had bugs in it, so I threw them away.
Oh. And the
Well, I went out-
the
I went out of
hutch
state.
and the dining room table, so it was like $400.
Yeah, I went out of state. I just barely got back.
All right, well, you owe us some money.
I want to show it for the couches.
And the hutch and the dining room table, you
No, I
didn't
paid
pay
for all
for.
that. I
No,
paid
you
for all
didn't,
that.
boss.
I paid for you.
No, you didn't
The
pay
only
any.
thing I
There
didn't
was
pay
two
for the
sets you
couches.
took. You took one set, then there was another set.
No, just two. It's two couches.
The couches, the hutch, and the dining room table, you
No,
didn't pay
I
for
paid
none
for
of
that. I
those.
paid for that.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
You
I
took for
did.
the other set.
I know what I paid for.
I know what you
paid for
didn't
the
pay
couches.
for. How about that? I know what you didn't. I know what you didn't pay for. You owed us like $400. I'm gonna be cool. You need
No,
at
I'll
least
pay you
200.
guys.
You're gonna go
I left out of state.
the
I
same
barely
day.
got back.
The same day.
Yeah.
Come on.
When I work at it, I left out of state. The same out of
I'm
state.
gonna be.
I didn't
You
know
owe
that.
us like $300.
I'll pay you guys back. I'll get some money. I'll come back next week.
You owe us like $300.
No, it's 200 for the couches. I don't know how much it was. I paid for all that.
And then the
Really
hutch,
stuff.
and you took the hutch and dining room
No,
table.
I'll
Didn't
pay
pay
for
for
that.
that.
Yes,
No,
I
you didn't.
did.
Well, you bought the other set.
Semana
The only thing I didn't pay for the couch.
I need $250, and we'll be even.
What's your necklace?
30.
Oh,
20.
give me $5.
20.
Thank you. Comics, I don't know what to look for. Like, what are the good years?
Remember, golden years are like 60s, 50s, 60s, 70s. So those are like you got your Bronze Age, or you got your Golden Age, then you got your then you have your Silver Age, then you have your Bronze Age.
Yeah.
So the Bronze Age is like 80s, 90s. Silver Age is like 60s, 70s, and the Golden Age is like 40s, 50s. So you find those, you're rich.
Yeah, all right.
A lot of people don't know that, and they just walk right past the gold one.
Yeah. I see a lot of comics.
Yeah. I teach you, you know, because I've been doing this for like 20 years.
Oh.
And I found some good stuff that I was able to pay off my house with.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah. So that's I'm telling you, it's money. But it's very, very rare. So when you see
get
like
lucky.
that, buy it, you know, and then look it up. And if you don't make a lot, that's how you learn, though. You're like, hey.
Yeah, that's how you learn.
You see
Just gotta buy more. Yeah.
Yeah, show your dad. Say, Dad, what is a good thing to buy? You know, and he'll tell you, hey, buy this, buy that. You know, that's how you look around and see if you can find some. Because everyone just has blinders on. They're only looking for a specific item.
Yeah.
Be open, like you said. Be open to different things.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, and you don't have to have big items. Just little items, you know. Let me show you over here.
That's what my dad said. Selling stuff on eBay is how you make more money. Like just little items, not really big items.
Yeah. So like stuff like this. VHS tape. Well, how much would you pay for this?
For like $5.
Okay, so buy them for $1 or $5, but make sure that they're sealed and it has a watermark like that. If it does like that, and it's an old school, let's say an old school movie like Freddy Krueger, Jason, Friday the 13th, thousands of dollars.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah, VHS. So this is obsolete. It's called dead media.
Yeah.
So dead media is anything like VHS, records. That's hot right now.
Yeah, records.
So
yeah.
if you can find a record that's old school, that's sealed still, buy it for $1, put it on eBay, you get hundreds of dollars if it's a right.
Yeah,
right
if it's a good one.
You know which ones to look for, like Beatles, rock,
Yeah.
any old rock stuff.
Pink Floyd,
But if
stuff
you
like
can find
that.
sealed stuff, that's money in the bank, you know. So
Yeah.
That's what you gotta look for. You know?
All right, thank you.
What was your name?
Stixx Picks, or my name is Mikey, but that's my YouTube name.
Yeah,
is Stixx
what
Picks.
they call you, Stixx?
Yeah, Stixx.
Okay.
My name is Mikey though.
Mike? Okay. Mikey. Okay. Cool.
Same as my
Manny.
dad.
My name's Manny. So.
Oh, nice to meet you.
That's
Yeah,
Chewy.
nice to meet you. I see you walking around a lot
Yeah.
too.
Yeah, and I'm a YouTuber, but I just got my thing, my YouTube terminated, but I'm trying to get it back.
Yeah.
Oh, why'd they do that? That's messed up.
What'd you do?
I don't know.
Yeah.
You know Mike right there that sells, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that your dad?
Yeah, that's my dad. Yeah,
Okay,
that's my
cool.
dad.
That's Junior.
Yeah,
okay.
that's Mike Jr.
You know what's up.
Yeah, I've been raised in this business a little bit, but
On YouTube channel also.
Yeah, but that's how you do it. And you get people that follow you, huh? Yeah, so that's what you make any money right now, or
a little bit. I make a decent amount. My dad pays me to help him. I make some money off what I pick.
doing the stuff?
I help him unload like when and like sell.
Oh, cool.
But
you like doing more the vlogging kind of thing, right? Vlog stuff. Right?
yeah, I get some footage of us selling. He buys storage units too that
I follow him on Storage Pirates. Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes I'm trying to buy my own storage units too, but I need like a good I don't want to use his truck and trailer. Like I want my own stuff, kind of.
Branch out. Say, Dad, I'm gonna buy storage. I'm gonna buy my own trailer. Do my own thing.
Yeah.
You want to be do your own stuff.
Yeah.
And but you know what? You can learn from your dad and pick up. And I remember the first time he found that safe. With all that money. And that was like cool. That probably got him hooked.
Yeah, I remember that too.
You remember that? How old were you when that happened?
I was like 5 or something.
Oh really?
Yeah, I was really young.
Yeah, cool.
Everyone.
Okay, well, pleasure meeting you.
Pleasure meeting you too.
Mikey.
Yeah,
Stixx.
Mikey.
Okay, I got
Manny.
Mikey.
I'm here like every week. I see you every week.
Drop by and say what's up.
All right, I will.
Okay, I see you, Mikey.
All right, see ya. All right, guys. I guess I forgot to make an outro for this video. I'm editing it. I realized I didn't make an outro, so thank you for watching. I appreciate it, especially if you're watching the outro. I always say that. That means you watched the whole video. That means I like you for that. I appreciate you. And I'll see you in the next video.